sa pangangalaga sa kalikasan. Matapos ang mga trahedyang dinanas ng bansa dahil sa bagyong Ondoy at Pepeng, mas nag-alab ang damdamin ng mga Pilipino para kumilos towards protecting the environment. Kahapon, isang press conference ang naganap para sa isang awareness campaign for climate change, which showed solidarity among our local artists, including Miriam Kiambao, who is very proactive in supporting the advocacies of the campaign.
I bring around a recyclable bag with me for in case I drop by the mall and meron akong bag agad. I say no to plastic bags, and I believe that each and every one of us really should step up into leadership and make more aware choices para naman we can try to reverse the effects of climate change.
The said campaign materialized in preparation for the Climate Change Conference ng United Nations na gaganapin sa Copenhagen, Denmark this month, kung saan malaki ang magiging partisipasyon ng ating bansa. Nilaunch na rin ang theme song na No Time to Waste, where local bands and other performers offer their talents para magawa ang kanta, complete with an inspiring music video.
First, I really didn't care. I studied a bit. I read up more. And since then, I've been joining whenever they invite me for talk.
These artists will also participate sa gaganapin na concert sa Marikina Riverbanks this December 12. This concert is called TikTok Rock, a rock for climate action which will be done simultaneously all over the world.
Proud of you guys.
Nag-blackberry sa akin si Darla, John James Uy. John James.
Talaga, we're back to the nine-letter name.
Letters. John James.
Okay.
Posible, di ba?
John James. Yeah, he's very good looking.
Yes, he is. And di ba, wala na sila ni Carla Humphries?
Parang.
For a while na, di ba? So, yan na yun. Okay. Invited po tayo sa first solo painting exhibit ni Nina Ricci.